Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the product. Today, we're exploring RedteaGO, a detox tea designed to promote weight loss. The official website, located at https://www.redteago.com, provides comprehensive information about the product and its benefits. This tea blend leverages the power of rooibos, a South African red bush tea known for its rich antioxidant properties. Rooibos is naturally caffeine-free, making it a suitable choice for those sensitive to stimulants. RedteaGO claims to help curb appetite, boost metabolism, and enhance energy levels, all contributing to a healthier weight management journey. The site details the carefully selected ingredients, emphasizing their natural origin and purported efficacy. It also features testimonials from individuals who have reportedly experienced positive results with RedteaGO. The website outlines the recommended usage instructions, highlighting the simplicity and convenience of incorporating this tea into your daily routine. Moreover, it addresses frequently asked questions, providing clarity about the product and its potential effects. Exploring the website, you'll find information about the company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They emphasize using sustainably sourced ingredients and following strict quality control measures. RedteaGO aims to be more than just a weight loss tea. It promotes a holistic approach to wellness by encouraging healthy habits alongside regular consumption. The website offers various purchasing options to cater to individual needs, including different package sizes and subscription plans. They also highlight a satisfaction guarantee, reinforcing their confidence in the product's effectiveness. Furthermore, RedteaGO aims to build a community around healthy living, offering resources and support for those on their weight loss journeys. You can explore their blog for additional tips on diet, exercise, and overall well-being. They also encourage engagement on their social media platforms for ongoing motivation and community interaction. Finally, the website is user-friendly and easy to navigate, ensuring a seamless experience for those interested in learning more about RedteaGO and its potential benefits.